In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the free fonts here in Creative Fabrica. Now, when it comes to Creative Fabrica, I literally have thousands and thousands of fonts which you can choose from. But you do need a paid subscription to actually get access to all of these fonts. Now, if you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica and get 10 items completely for free, then I will have a link for you down in the description below. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link. Now, to actually get free fonts though, is really simple, and they have lots of different free fonts that you can choose from. Now, what you want to do is come on to Creative Fabrica and come up to the freebie section. If you hover over this, then you can come down to where it says free fonts, and it's going to bring you to this page. Now, the free fonts also have commercial use. Now, you can discover the best free fonts to download, ideal for Cricut and commercial use. Explore the top font styles, designs and websites, all free to use. Now, once that you're on this page, you can scroll through like so, or you can come up here to the left hand side, sort by popularity or sort by newest. Now, if you sort by newest, you are going to come across some really nice fonts that you can use in your designs. So that's how to access the free fonts here in Creative Fabrica. Now, if you enjoyed this video and if you want to watch more of my content, then click right here and have a watch of this.